Hello, I'm Oath. I live in the United States. Today I bring you to the kitchen and open the refrigerator. No, I'm not cooking anything. I am going to organize my refrigerator, which I bought a plastic box to do so. I went to the store many times and saw the plastic like this, but I had never thought about what I gonna do with them until I saw the video of a Thai star. She organized her refrigerator with this kind of boxes and look very neat. So I thought, yeah, why not? I should do this to our refrigerator, and then I order from eBay. Cost about $23.99, and I got the set like this one, 8 pieces, big and small size. And ta-da! This is after I rinse the boxes with water because this may contain dust, and then I organize my refrigerator. As you see here, I have a bigger container for eggs because normally I use the Tupperware box to put eggs, and it look neat. And this I really like them. I didn't touch anything in the bottom and also in the door because they all look okay. And I changed a little bit. I moved the soda can to the door area, and I changed this plastic box. I put eggs in that area, but a little bit bigger than the old one, so I switch the old one to put in because smaller and then have more space at same as before. Organize that the bottle can sit there fine, and also some space left for my husband's drink. Okay, now I'm gonna move the soda can to the door area. Also, for my husband, I didn't drink. No, I didn't drink. I'm not drink the soda. Okay, thank you and bye.